Yes! It's your boy, Chef Juvon, award-winning celebrity chef. We are going to do meatless chicken parmesan and pasta. Today we got Ericka Dunlap in the kitchen with us. Let's get right into it. You pick your cauliflower, you definitely want it to have some volume to it. You want it to be heavy, not hollow and light, all right? You definitely want to have your oven preheated on 425. This is something that we're going to roast, right? So I actually just dug out the pit of the cauliflower. Why? I'm so glad you asked. Is because I want the cauliflower to stay intact as I cut it. So all right, so we're gonna cut this directly in half. Now imagine this as being the piece of chicken. You want to put this on a sheet pan. I mean, you got a cast iron pan by all means. So let's get our pre-prepped pan with parchment paper. Cut this here. You want to cut it?
I do.
Yes! Yes! All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven on the top shelf at 425. We're gonna let that cook for like 35 minutes.
Okay.
Let's take a side, just like almost like a watermelon. Slice it. How am I doing that? I'm so glad you asked. So that when it sits, it don't roll. And let's cut it down the middle.
Okay.
Don't put your fingers in the way like this. Hold it to the side. Get a nice sharp knife and cut it down. All right? In this case, it's not rolling. See that?
Right.
I have more control of it. All right, boom.
Okay.
All right, so we got spaghetti squash. We're gonna get a nice spoon and we're gonna gut it out.
Okay.
Okay? You got spaghetti squash here. Now you want to saturate this with some oil, avocado oil, not olive oil. Get in there, you can rub that one down.
Okay.
Get in there, rub it down like your baby, bottom, you know. Get it all up in there. And now we're going to nicely season it. Be generous in seasoning this. The oven is doing the work. 30 minutes, both of these dishes in the oven for 30 minutes, then it's done.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so let's get this in the oven while my business phone rings.
Yes.
All right, so OMG, look at
so
that. Some sauce, you can do this, have the pleasure. Take your spoon, and we're gonna spoon over some sauce. Be generous, very generous. So while you're doing this, we're gonna put some garlic on it, fresh cut garlic.
Okay.
Yeah, we're working together.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is gonna go in the oven until the cheese is nicely melted. We're gonna put this on the top shelf. We're going right to cutting some basil. All right, so this is not a traditional cut. This cut is called a chiffonade. Chiffonade cut of basil. So let's get our meatless chicken parmesan out the oven. Oh, can you smell it?
I do.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
What is this?
Oh my gosh.
Haters is gonna say it's chicken.
Yo, I'm gonna check the spaghetti squash. You enjoy.
Thank you.
So, okay.
Is it ready? Is it good?
It's ready. You can put it in the oven more to get more cooked. But I like it al dente, right?
Got it. Okay.
But let's talk about it, right? So you're gonna get a fork.
I'm ready.
I know you're ready. I see you with the gold fork looking all bougie. I see it. See how it's cut?
Wow.
That's what I was talking about. It's cut.
I thought that was, you had to derive that from actually putting it into a
That's what people
processor.
think. That's what people think. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, oh my gosh. Look at that.
That's
Look at the chicken right there. Look at the actual cauliflower. It looks like fried chicken.
It does.
See that? See some sauce? Here you have meatless chicken parmesan and spaghetti squash pasta.
So good.
No pot, no pan. Just put it right in the oven, 30 minutes or more. It's up to you to eat his own. So let's get straight to it. Come on, let's dive in.
Thank you so much. This is such a treat. Wait, I need a little bit more of my spaghetti squash here.
The pepper.
It's great.
Do you taste the basil?
I taste the basil.
Oh my God! Yo,
The spaghetti squash is like a whole different level.
you don't know it's spaghetti squash.
Completely different
You just say,
experience.
I'm eating pasta.
I'm eating pasta.
That's it.
I'm eating 7 net carb pasta.
This is crazy. Yo.
You throwing food. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so
Listen.
This is like a meal of the god for real.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. We're here with Ericka Dunlap. What's coming up for you? What's going on?
You know, I always got a lot of stuff. Follow me
She got a lot of
at
stuff.
Ericka Dunlap, and I'm Ericka with a CK.
Yes.
Not just like any other Ericka.
And you'll get that, okay?
Ericka with a CK.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so listen, stay tuned to her. Follow her on Instagram. She got a YouTube channel. Meatless Chicken Parmesan!
Go get you some.
As they would say, bon appetit. Enjoy, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try it? Do you think you will like it?
Absolutely.
Talk about it. See y'all later.